and Rahul Gandhi were an hour earlier. Rahul said no meeting has been fixed, but still in the next day paper it was said that they met and there was some discussion. There is some power surge also going on for more than 8 to 9 hours, which is a difficulty because for any state or any house or any place to move forward, electricity is a vital part these days. If you're working from home, you might be very much aware that electricity and internet, these are the two lifelines that you have, which is actually making you go at this moment. If this stops, you either have to ask for a leave or something else. You cannot do anything else. A win for Nitish, blow to Chirag. Chirag Paswan, he was the son of late Ramvilas Paswan, the founder of LJP. But now that party is already defunct and Paras has gained in between this. NHRC team visit Malda, Nandigram and Violence Pros. NHRC being National Human Rights Commission. As you might have seen, Kolkata High Court had ordered a probe through NHRC. Why NHRC was involved? Because there were cases suggesting that the post-poll violence was mostly done for the rural area where SC, ST, OBC numbers were very high. And because of that, this NHRC team is doing the investigation. I think preliminary report was also shared with the High Court. Based on I think the High Court has also suggested a state to follow some of the things. So now, for the extended part of your investigation, they are visiting different places like Malda, Nandigram, and I hope some part of North Bengal will also be visited. I'm not sure. Claim made in report on Giloy damaging liver misleading, says Ayush Ministry. You might be aware that when the COVID came into picture, people started going for Ayurvedic medicines. Giloy became a super hit. People were going for Giloy like anything. And Giloy is some of the things which you can find easily in India or any of the Himalayan places. Okay. In past few days, it was claimed that Giloy is something which is actually damaging your liver, which Ayush Ministry has denied. ED arrest son-in-law, former Maha Revenue Minister Arse. Maharashtra is again a different turmoil with Vikas Aghadi. Vikas Aghadi, I don't know. This is something which I really like. Dilbar. I used to enjoy pointing to my watch and mocking people for being late, but it isn't as fun as it used to be. It's your step count low again. Is your step count low again? So this means that person has what? Fitbit? Only 2 current mantris were in Atal's ministry. Government Big Department of Public Enterprises and Finance Ministry. Zomato IPO to open on July 14, list by month and IPO. Big deal, huh? Party's clear message to poll bound. That's what I said. I mean, these cabinet, whatever the expansion has happened, reshuffling, making people out, pulling somebody in. This is largely because of the poll will be happening in the next few time. Global COVID toll tops 4 million. Asia battles Delta. Seriously, man, when this COVID will be gone? There is a banner from Amul which says Ganga bhi, Jamuna bhi, Aadmi bhi, Vidata bhi, Har Andaz ka leader Dilip Kumar. A tribute to Dilip. Right? If you want to buy cars, I think Maruti Suzuki has this car offer. Paper is all full of Dilip Kumar. I have always wanted people to know about my struggle. Pinky Pramanik on her Bible. Nothing can be bigger than representing India in Olympics. I think this is the Manna Patel. She has recently qualified in swimming backstroke for Tokyo Olympics 2021, right? Though, let me tell you, people in Tokyo are not very happy with Olympics being conducted in this COVID time because I think the Emperor of Japan has also raised his concern. That's it for today. Thank you.